Hi guys, welcome back. Sorry I had to jump off so quickly. I only get 5 minutes in these videos and I talked too long, so I ran out of time. We're going to answer questions 1 through 5 together, and then your homework for tonight is going to be questions 6 and 7, but I have some helpful tips for you at the end of this video to help you get those answered. So let's go to page 411 and look at number 1. Recall. Name 2 objects that are attracted to magnets. This is going to come from the very first paragraph we read. And they're going to be refrigerator and paper clips. But can you think of anything else that might be attracted to magnets? Yeah, my husband has a flashlight that sticks to our refrigerator because it has a magnet in it. So you can find magnets in all kinds of things. Number 2, apply. How do you use magnets in your daily life? This answer might be different for everybody. For me, I have refrigerator magnets, just like we talked about in our lesson, and it holds pictures. My son has a schedule, so we put that up there. I waited tables way back a long time ago, and I know some restaurants have on the top of their trash cans, they have this big square thing that goes around it, and it's got a great big magnet in it. So if you accidentally drop silverware in there, the silverware will zap to the sides, and you don't actually throw silverware away. So it saves them money. But lots of different ways we can use magnets. How do you use them at your house? Question number 3. Compare. How are the magnetic fields of the bar and the horseshoe magnets alike? So it's asking about these pictures on page 412. Tell me how those are alike. What do you see when you look at them? Well, I want you to look and see how much of the magnetic material is being gathered at the ends. It's really easy to see it on the horseshoe one because on the horseshoe one where it's red, there's nothing. There's nothing being attracted to that. So do you remember what we said the ends of these were called? We said they were called their magnetic poles. So for the question, how are the magnetic fields of the bar and the horseshoe magnets alike? Your answer is, for both magnets, the magnetic field is strongest at the ends or the poles because that's where it's gathering the most material. Question number 4. Draw 2 bar magnets in a position so that the magnets are repelling each other. Label each end of each magnet with an N or with an N for north or an S for south. If you look at the very bottom picture on page 412, are these magnets repelling or attracting each other? What do you think? They're attracting each other because a north is facing a south. And when we said a north faces a south, they're going to zap together. How do we get them to repel each other? Yeah, flip that one over. So you want a north facing a north. They're going to push away from each other. And I'm going to show you my notes, so you're going to kind of see what I read off of here. But this is the drawing I made. I know you're entering this into Unified Classroom, so I want you to just do the very best you can. It doesn't have to be anything super fancy, okay? Just explain it to me. You don't necessarily have to draw a picture if you want to just put it in words. Okay. Question number 5. Evaluate. Why does one end of a compass needle point north? Why did we say that our compass points north? The compass needle is a magnet and responds to Earth's magnetic field. So it points towards Earth's magnetic north pole. Remember, we said if there was another magnet sitting right here next to me on my table, the needle of that compass would point towards my magnet instead of Earth's magnetic north pole. Okay. Make sure you get those answers put into Unified Classroom or into whatever Mrs. Law sent you. She set that part up. So just make sure you answer those questions and you get your participation points. For homework tonight, you're going to answer questions number 6 and number 7. Here are your helpful tips. For number 6, we're going to see that word infer again, which means that it does not come directly from the book. You have to think about it a little. So think about this. If I found a piece of metal just sitting right here in my living room, how would I figure out if it's magnetic? What's something I could do to see if that piece of metal is magnetic? And for number 7, Earth and magnets both have magnetic poles, the North Pole and the South Pole. Tell me about them. Okay? Reach out if you have any questions. Bye.